Hey gang, Puppy here, Caffeine and BS for the 15th of October 2019. Went to the dentist today. We talked. Next time I see her, she gonna yank a couple over here. After the gums heal up, it's impressions for the partials. She agreed with me. Oh, the way that's moving. Couldn't just yank. No. I believe they call it milking the office visits. We can only do one thing per visit. We used to do more, but we discovered greed. I wanted to clean my teeth today. The last time I saw a dentist, I said, gotta go. Anyway, I got panoramic x-ray. Got to go downtown for even less than Blind Mill and Chitlin got.